Ladies and gentlemen, the new 911 Turbo and the new 911 Turbo S. Please welcome the Chairman of the Executive Board, Oliver Blume.
Good morning everyone and welcome to Porsche. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are off to a great start into 2016 with a world premiere of two top 911 variants that have become benchmarks for the ultimate blend of refined power, breathtaking performance and everyday usability. Our current vehicle portfolio is the most attractive Porsche has ever had, and our customers confirmed that with an impressive vote of confidence. For the 11th year in a row, they rated Porsche highest among nameplates in J.D. Power's appeal study, which evaluates vehicle performance and design. We also ranked highest in J.D. Power's initial quality study and its sales satisfaction index survey. Ladies and gentlemen, but now back to the new Porsche 911 Turbo and 911 Turbo S. It is only fitting we present our ultimate 911 models here. The United States, after all, is the world's largest market for our 911 series. Every third 911 sold is sold here. And our Turbo and Turbo S variants make up 20% of all 911s delivered in America. Our top-of-the-line 911 models now offer even more power and a sharper design. Thanks to new turbochargers with larger compressors, the 3.8-liter twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine of the 911 Turbo S produces 580 horsepower. The Turbo now is a 514 horsepower. We've also redefined fast. The new Turbo S is the first production 911 that takes less than 3 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. And of course, the new generation 911 turbos have their own specific styling cues, such as redesigned fronts, 4-point LED lights and side air blades. We will introduce both model variants in Germany at the end of this month and here in the United States in April. So what else do we have in pipeline? Any electrifying news? My message here today is Porsche will continue to develop and make premium, emotionally appealing sports cars, even if they are no longer powered by conventional combustion engines. Porsche will continue to make superb sport cars the best and most exciting in their segment and provide a unique ownership experience. Thank you for joining us today.